Ever felt like your money's on a spaceship, just floating out there, and you've lost the communication frequency? You're trying to reach mission control, but all you're getting is static. That's how it can feel when you're trying to get in touch with your investment platform, right? Especially when you're dealing with something as crucial as Spaceship. Look, investing can be exciting, but it also comes with its fair share of questions and, let's be honest, a little bit of anxiety. You want to know your investments are safe, you want to understand what's happening, and sometimes, you just need a human to talk to. So, how do you actually get a hold of Spaceship? That's what we're diving into today. First things first, let's acknowledge that in today's digital age, many platforms prioritize online support. This means the traditional phone call might not be the quickest route. However, Spaceship does provide a robust set of digital channels to get your queries answered. The most direct and often the most efficient way to reach Spaceship is through their in-app support. If you're already a Spaceship user, open the app and look for the Help or Support section. This is your direct line to their customer service team. Typically, you'll find a chat feature or a form to submit your questions. This method allows you to provide detailed information about your issue, and often, you can even include screenshots or other relevant documents. Another reliable method is to check their website. Spaceship's website is a treasure trove of information. Look for a Contact Us or Support page. Here, you'll likely find FAQs, articles, and potentially a contact form or email address. FAQs are especially helpful for common questions, saving you the time of waiting for a response. Email support is also a viable option. While specific email addresses may vary depending on your region or the nature of your inquiry, you can usually find a general support email address on the website. This method is great for detailed inquiries where you need to provide a lot of information or documentation. Social media is another channel worth exploring. Spaceship, like many modern companies, maintains a presence on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. While direct customer support might not always be provided through these channels, they are a good way to stay updated on announcements, and sometimes, you can even send a direct message for a quick query. Now, here's a crucial tip: when contacting Spaceship, be as clear and concise as possible. Provide your account details, describe your issue in detail, and if applicable, include any relevant transaction IDs or screenshots. The more information you provide, the faster and more accurately they can assist you. Remember, response times can vary depending on the volume of inquiries. Be patient, but if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up. A polite reminder can often help move your query along. Also, before reaching out, take a moment to see if your question is answered in their Help Center or FAQs. Often, you can find the solution yourself, saving time for everyone. Finally, keep in mind that the best time to contact support is during their business hours. This ensures you're reaching them when they're actively monitoring their channels. So, to recap, utilize the in-app support, check their website and FAQs, use email support, and consider social media for updates. Be clear and provide all necessary information. And most importantly, be patient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.